Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Let me take you through our stocks. First of all, I need to format this row. So the stock number 1 was LIC Housing at 353 rupees. On the daily chart 356, there was hardly any bullish momentum. 353, yes, there was no chance of hitting our stop loss. So only one target hit. Moving on to second stock, and that was ICICI Prudential Life Insurance at 507. It is that stock? Yes. I see no. No, no, no. Nothing happened. Did not hit entry level. Penultimate stock was Tata Motors at 660. Tata Motors, huge bullish momentum. 660 somewhere here. No, there was no chance of hitting the stop loss. 681. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 targets hit. Fourth and final stock was Amara Raja Batteries at 520 rupees. Here we go, 520. Come on, Amara Raja. 523. I am really disappointed with this stock. This stock shows hardly any bullish momentum. 520. Yes, one target. So that's it. Stock number 1 for tomorrow's session is Mahanagar Gas. On the hourly chart, we have a bullish pattern called higher highs and higher lows. Also, there is a horizontal breakout level above 770 rupees. If we take a close look at the low, it is aligning with the previous swing low, which means this is a classic case of double bottom pattern, which is in itself a bullish reversal pattern. So the buying which is being going on from the level of 730 rupees can really take the price in new vicinity. I expect the round number of 800 to get tested throughout the course of the week, if not for tomorrow's session. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Alembic Pharma. The breakout level of 750 rupees has been tested multiple times, twice here and one more time in today's session. The rally towards the breakout level is strongest of all. I'm talking about the current rally. The bullish momentum which was established in today's session can really take the price higher and higher. I'm expecting high of around 775 in tomorrow's session. Penultimate stock is none other than Rajesh Exports, and once again on the hourly chart we have a bullish pattern. This is a higher highs, higher lows pattern. I will draw a breakout line, a horizontal line above 610 rupees. The mentioned breakout level has been tested thrice. Each time the low is getting elevated, which is a sign of increased bullishness. So any price action, any buying above 610 rupees can take the stock price in the vicinity of 640 or even 650 rupees. Last but not least stock for tomorrow's session is Tata Motors. Once again, a recovery is shaping up from the support level of 370 rupees, As we can see, buyers are really going at it. They have taken the stock price all the way from 370 to almost 430 in only 4 trading sessions. So if this bullish activity and optimism continues in tomorrow's session, I won't be surprised if buyers try to challenge the level of 450 rupees.